Okay, I think we are live. Hi everyone, this is Aditya, and I have with me my colleague Dr. Amit. Hi Amit, sir,
Hi
how are you?
everyone. Hi, I'm good. I'm good. Hi everyone.
Okay, so guys, let us know in the chat box if you can hear us loud and clear.
I'm checking on YouTube. We are live on YouTube.
Okay, let me check on LinkedIn.
Already see few people live on YouTube.
Okay, we are live on LinkedIn as well. People are joining in. Hi everyone. Please let us know in the chat box that you can hear us loud and clear. You can see us fine, and then we'll get started in a few minutes.
Uh, okay, I'm posting this on my LinkedIn as well. Okay, we are live on LinkedIn, right? Can you hear me, Adit? I guess.
Yeah, I can hear you.
I guess yes. I can hear you now. Yes.
Okay, Sri Meghana, thanks for confirming.
I can hear you on LinkedIn live. Thank you so much, Nisi, for letting us know that you can see us and loud and clear.
Okay, guys, so let's start with a brief introduction. Let's start with where we are located. So I'm currently based out of Miami, Florida, and here I've entered
And
the location in the chat box.
I am located right now in downtown Toronto in Canada. So if you guys can also let us know that from which location you are dialing in, I guess we will be getting less crowd from India today because we have a festival over there.
Yep.
And so, guys, if you can let us know what is your current location. Mm,
So Denise is dialing in from Allegheny, New York. San Francisco. Okay. By the way, Sri Meghna, I lived in San Francisco for many years on Townsend and Embarcadero. Not sure where you are. Matthews from New London, Connecticut.
okay, I can see around 100 people live. And on LinkedIn, there are around 70, 80 people and 20, 30 people on YouTube. Uh, okay. If you guys can also let us know what role you are targeting so that we can know that whether we have the right audience with us or not. Uh, because today we are going to do a dedicated project for people who are looking for jobs or internship into data field. So if you can let us know your what exactly domain you are targeting. And guys, you can see a QR code on our right hand side, I guess. From your, it will be left hand side, I guess. So, guys, if you can scan this code, you can join our Discord community where we already have in last just 1 month we have around almost 3,000 plus people on that Discord community. You can join this community. We are posting regular updates about our projects, about some internship opportunities. You can meet our mentors over there also. So whenever we connect with any mentor, we also ask them to join our Discord community. So this can be super useful for all those people who want to connect with the community and know what other people are also doing. So do scan this code which is on this side. You can see my finger. Yes, on this side you can see my a QR code. Kindly scan and you can join it. And Sri Meghna says that she's looking for a data analyst role. So I guess this will be a useful session for you, Sri Meghna. And our this project platform has more than 100 plus projects for people who are looking for projects in the field of data. So anybody who wish to build some work experience, who want to enhance their boost their resume in terms of project, or if you are transitioning your career from software to data, this can be very very helpful. So you can go and check out our platform where we have, and we'll show you the demonstration today also with this. This project is completely free. We do not charge anything from anyone for our live projects. So you can come and join, and you can practice as many projects as possible. Specifically in our live session, there is no problem at all.
And guys, we also have a special project coming up this once again this Saturday, where we will have one of our guests who's a lead data analyst at Blue Cross Blue Shield, Sai Kumar. If you may know him, he's pretty active on LinkedIn, uh, and he's very active, especially in the data analyst, data science category. So I've posted his event link, which is scheduled for this coming Saturday. So if you have not signed up for it, please sign up. And yeah, this would be really, really helpful for anyone who's targeting data related jobs. Where Sai will be mentoring you for almost a week. So please take a moment and sign up for this upcoming event. Okay, you should be you should be able to see this event link in the chat box. If not, please let me know and I'll post it again. Okay. Cool. Here we go. So I think it is posted both on LinkedIn and YouTube. Okay. So guys, please take a moment. We'll take a moment until you sign up for it. I can see we already have like 500 plus people registered for this event, and we still have a week to go. Okay. Okay. So I think we are good to get started on this project. Anything else, Amit, that you want to cover before we get started?
No, I guess we are good. Do join this Discord community, guys. We will take up all your queries of the project also on this Discord community. And yeah, we are good. We can start. And I guess you have already posted about the new project which we are going to do with Sai. Yes.
Mhm. Okay. I was just checking number on our Discord community. We're about to hit 3,000 attendees there. So great. Okay, so
Whenever why don't we post the link of this project also right away? If you can post it, that we are doing this live project. A lot of people might join from there also.
yep, yep. So let's okay. Let me share my screen to get started. We'll start with a brief introduction, and then we'll jump into this project details. So here we go.
Yeah, I can see your screen now.
Okay, guys. So thanks everyone for joining this live project. Those who are here for the first time, uh, let me reiterate why we are all here. So we are here to do a live project on data science, and because we noticed in the last few months that employers care more about hands-on experience and less about the academic knowledge that you have. So to fill that gap, we decided that okay, we will do some real-world data science live project with you right from scratch, and that's where we are here. So today we are going to work on a car price prediction using regression models. You will be able to do this project in our cloud environment, so you don't need to do any local setup, you don't need to have a great machine. We'll provide you everything. This project is free for everyone. Anyone and everyone across the world can join us in the next 7 days and do this project. Okay. uh, One more great update related to our platform that we will be launching by the end of this week, where we are going to launch an AI assistant. So just think that you will be having a mentor in this platform with you all the time to give you feedback, to assist you at every step of the project building. Okay. And I think that would help a lot of candidates, because we noticed that only 20 to 22% of the candidates are able to complete these projects. Rest 78 to 80% of the candidates cannot complete more than 10% of the project, which is a big gap. That's where this AI tutor will help you wherever you get stuck and will provide you feedback at every stage. Okay. So we'll be launching it by the end of this week. So stay updated. Okay, now let's jump into a quick introduction. Amit sir, would you like to go first?
Yeah, sure. So, hi everyone, this is Dr. Amit, Head of Business Operations at High Council. So, I did my bachelor's in computer science. After that, I did my MBA program in marketing and human resources. I did my PhD in marketing research from an ID Jalandhar, and after that, I was also an alumni of Research Summer School at IMA. I worked with in my home country. I worked with companies like Wipro, Reliance, and ICICI Bank. I had more than 10 years of teaching experience at undergraduate and postgraduate levels. And you can follow me on YouTube also. I have a YouTube channel with the same name, Dr. Amit Lal, and with have 100K subscriber. What about you, Adit?
I come from same university. I did my BTech from NIT Jalandhar back in 2012. Then came to US in 2015 for my master's degree at Duke University. So those who are in Durham, North Carolina, you may be aware of Duke. After graduating from Duke, landed my first job at PwC in Chicago as a tech consultant. Worked at PwC for 1 year and then moved to Deloitte Consulting. Worked as a senior Salesforce consultant for about 3 years at Deloitte. And during my time at Deloitte, I worked with the recruitment team as well. So I visited a lot of universities in the US and hired software developers, data scientists, and Salesforce people for Deloitte. And that's when I started getting interest in the career counseling and mentorship space. So 2020, I left my job from Deloitte to start this company. And as an immigrant in the US, I was on H-1B visa at Deloitte, but you cannot start a company on H-1B. So if any one of you is interested in learning how you can start a company or jump into entrepreneurship as an immigrant in the US, feel free to always reach out to me. Okay. By the way, short answer of this thing is that you need to get O1 visa to start a company. So we launched High Counselor in 2020. Myself and my co-founder Rani Harun, and we are a team of 40 plus right now. We started our journey with just 3 candidates, and until now we have helped 600 plus candidates find a job in the US. And we are also backed by a bunch of VCs and angel investors. Now, the reason we started High Counselor, because we found that a lot of people struggle to find a job because of 3 major reasons. First is lack of work experience. People lack hands-on experience; they just have academic knowledge, which our employers don't need. Our employers need talent who's job ready, who can deliver right away. Second is when people do not know how to get interview calls, right? A lot of people just rely on online application and they don't know how to get the interview opportunities. And third one is people are not prepared for interviews. When they land interview calls, they do not know how to combine the skills that they learn to solve business problem, and that's where they fail. And that's where we launched High Counselor as a 360-degree ecosystem. So basically, when we launched High Counselor, our objective was not to create a staffing agency. Rather than we wanted to create a system where we can help people with upskilling, help them get work experience, help them with their resume and LinkedIn, and eventually also help them get interview calls by matching proper jobs to them, by increasing their job application capabilities, and by helping them with networking so that they can get referrals. Uh, the number of roles that we support right now is limited. Right now, we only support people who are looking for job in software engineering role, data science roles like data analyst, data scientist, AI, ML, generative AI, LLM, sales related roles, Salesforce, and product management. These are only 5 categories that we deal in right now. Our pricing structure is that we work on success based payment. That means you do not have to pay anything upfront. It absolutely $0. You only pay once you land a job, and also that you pay in monthly installments so that it doesn't burden you, right? So we created this pricing structure exactly by thinking when I came to US, finished my studies, how I would like to get that payment structure. We have two different model. One is a starter model, another one is a advanced model, where basically in advanced model you get a little bit more help related to your job search, more one-on-one mentoring. We provide you a team that apply to all the job positions for you. We provide you a platform that automatically network for you. We provide you remote internship opportunities if you need it, and also we provide you layoff support. A lot of success stories are posted on our platform. You can simply go to our website highcounselor.com/review, and you'll be able to see stories of a lot of candidates there. The application process is pretty simple. You simply go to our website, highcounselor.com, click on apply to upcoming cohort there, fill out your application. Based on your application, we'll schedule a one on one interview call with you. And once we connect with you, once we get confidence in your application, we admit you. And once we admit you, there is no upfront payment. You only pay once you land a job. Okay. So if I also to show it on your website, simply go to our website highcounselor.com, and here's a button apply to upcoming cohort. Our next cohort starts in 2 weeks. So simply click on start application, fill out this form, and we will get back to you. Okay. That's a little bit about High Counselor. Let's jump into our project. Okay, 1 second, guys.
Uh, I guess there is a background noise from your side. I will explain this. No worries.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's talk about the objective of this live project. A lot of people keep on asking us that why we are doing it. So the main purpose of doing this live project is we know that a lot of like entry level candidates, they do not have work experience, and it is very difficult to showcase your work, even your knowledge, to someone if you're not have like that thing on your resume. So that's the reason why we came up with this concept of live project. We developed a platform, and we'll be demonstrating about that platform also. So the idea here is to solve real business projects. So all these projects are developed in such a way that these are like client based projects. So we do not assist too much about the project to the candidates, and we play it more like a competition so that people can learn from it, people can compete. That's what the goal is, right? The next important thing is to add resume or CV to your all these projects. You can add it to your resume and CV, and even we are also providing you a portfolio page where whatever projects you complete from our platform will always be there on that. With this, you can also overcome that issue which you already talked about, that if you don't have work experience, this can be super useful. Yeah. Adit, if you can move to the next slide. Yeah. So today we are going to start this project, which is on the car price prediction using regression models. So these basically project is meant for people who are into field of data analyst or data scientist. So the idea is to that you have to go through all the data, which is model number, year number, fuel type, mileage, all that this data is given. You need to analyze, you need to understand, and you need to predict. So basically, it's a prediction model which you have to build in this project. Okay. Moving on to the next one. So we have four modules in it. In the module one, you have to prepare the data and explore it. Module two, you have to pre-process it, clean it. Module three, you have to do the exploratory data analysis. And module four, we have to do a regression modeling and evaluation. So let's talk about the rewards. So top three per people from this project on our leaderboard will be featured on Times Square, New York. So we have already featured few of our old candidates. For example, Rupmati was featured, Dhruv was featured on this. So what we do is anybody who is the winner of our of this particular live project on the top three leaderboard, we schedule your live, and invite you on that live so that you can show it to all the people, all your friends, all your family members. Even some of our members have featured their own parents also there, which is like a very proud moment. uh, yeah, so you can see this with Ajit is playing right now. So this is one of our winners who once after winning this, he shared with his parents, and he also featured his father along with his success, right? Which is a very proud moment, I feel. Uh, and that's why this becomes very precious, right? We can always have it as our record that we were featured because of our technical skills. Moving on. So who are your mentors for this? So me and Aditya is already there, always there to help you. We look into the functional part of the project, but Chirag is the main lead. He looks into all the technical. Chirag and his team, they work really hard, and they are already part of the Discord community. So make sure that you join our Discord channel, so that we, whatever queries you have, you can go through the Discord. Go to the Discord channel. You can post your queries, and our team will be responding to those queries. So you have this QR code, which already Aditya shown you. We explained you earlier also. So join our Discord community. Okay, so the project deadline would be around a week from here. So exactly after 7 days, the project will be closed. Uh, Project overview. Now let's talk about the project overview. Now this is important, that how you are going to start this project, and I'll demonstrate from my own, sharing my screen now. Okay, so now you can see my screen. Aditya, can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay. So you can start this project by by coming to our platform. You have this option called login. So if you have candidate login, so if you have already your account, you can log in from here. Otherwise, if you don't have your account, you can create your account from here, right? Fill in your basic detail and you will get your credential on your email. So I have my account over here. I will log into my account. And once I log into my account, then I can go to this project. Click on project, and you can see the project which we are doing right now. So we are doing this project called price. Just wait for 1 second. So we are doing this project which is the car price prediction. Okay, so you can click on this and click on go to sandbox. So once you click on go to sandbox, you will come to this platform, right? Your own customized platform. You can see my name over here, whatever projects I have started, everything is here. So click on plus and add this project. Click choose template, just click on this. Okay, and you can see the project will start loading up. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes, even less than that, I believe, uh, to start your project. You might not be seeing like these projects, because I have started so many projects from my login. That's why they are showing up on my account. But if you are starting it for the first time, you might see only this project, and you can start multiple projects from our platform. But we work on a subscription model, only our live project, and I guess one more project is free. And apart from that, but it's a very affordable platform, I guess. And this sandbox is very like the highlight feature of our project platform, because you don't need any other system for it. You don't need, it is more like a computer. So you don't need any local machine for it, right? You can just come to this platform, start writing your code, you can run your code, you can check your code, and very soon you will be getting help also. Okay, now click on open sandbox, and your project will be started. Okay, your Jupyter notebook is loading up. You can see all the tasks here. What are the tasks which you are supposed to complete? You can see how you can get your data. You can see here the leaderboard, how many people, the 8 people, 9 people have already started doing the project. And you can also see the live feed, who is doing what kind of task. And very important thing is that you can, now one question which most of the people will ask, that how this leaderboard is calculated, how we will be deciding who will be the 3 top people winning this competition. So it will be decided on 3 factors. Number one, how accurate your code was. Number two, how efficient your code was. And third, very important, is how many people you invited. That's very important. You can see here Seher has invited already 4 people, so that's why she's leading also. Time and this also is good. And you can see the here on the top, but right hand side, you can this option called invite your friends. So click on here, and you can enter your email ID of your friends or your or peer groups, and you can copy this link also, share it on various platforms. So that is very important to be on the leaderboard, right? We need to build the community as well. Apart from this, if you face any issue, you can always write to our Discord channel. But if you face any technical issue from the platform, there is an option called report the bug. Just click on this, write your subject, write your description, take a screenshot, attach to it, and our team will look into it. Right? We also give you an option of sharing this project on your LinkedIn portfolio. Click on here, and you can see all the pre-written LinkedIn templates which you can use and directly share it on LinkedIn. So this was all about the platform. If you can confirm, guys, that is this whole process is clear to you. Anything else, Aditya, which I'm missing?
No, I think everything is covered.
Okay, great. So, guys, if you can just confirm that. Okay, it says it is locked. It might be locked for those people, guys, who have already completed two projects from our platform, right? So if you have already completed two projects from our platform, then it might be showing you locked. So is the process is clear, guys? That how to start this project?
Guys, please let us know if you have any questions. And I just checked that the project is not logged for those who have done less than two projects in our platform. But if you've done more than two projects, then you will need to take the premium subscription. But if I'm sure a lot of you have done less than two projects, so yes.
Guys, if you can confirm that is the process of doing this project is clear to you.
Okay, I have a quick question. Are the all live projects free, or is there a cap of at two projects? So Srimagna, there is a cap at two projects. You can do two projects absolutely free of cost. You can have your portfolio, utilize it. But if you want to do all the projects, right, or more than two projects, then certainly you need to go for premium subscription.
And very soon we will have instructor help also available on this platform. As Aditya already told you that if you get stuck, and we have seen that a lot of people need assistance while creating while completing the project, so you will have someone there to help you, guide you in the process.
And guys, uh, this AI tutor is, I mean, we spend a lot of time building it, and the way we have built it is that it will assist you in each and every task, and it will assist you in most of the languages, including Hindi, Spanish, Arabic, and in some of the local languages like Punjabi as well. So let's see how it works, but I'm sure it will help a lot of people. Lot of people.
And I guess this has been a major concern that a lot of people, while doing the project, they get stuck on one of the tasks and then they are not able to complete the project, and the time passes. This 1 week which we offer. So I guess this will help a lot of people will come in completing the project. And right now the platform is very affordable, guys. Very soon we have to work on the pricing part also, because now we have a good amount of users also, and we are offering a lot of value from the product. So make sure that you are part of the platform, and we are updating it on a very faster pace. I guess only in the last 3 months we have uploaded more than 100 plus projects.
And guys, the pricing is needed because if we have to onboard uh, more and more quality mentors who come up with their projects that they are solving every day in their companies, we certainly need to compensate people. We need to have a great team, and that's where, as Dr. Amit said, we will be revising the pricing very soon, most probably by this weekend. So if you subscribe
And
before that, we'll continue with the current pricing.
Yes, and I guess one thing which is also very important to understand that when you are looking at the only the project, but what is important is that what is the skills you are developing based on that project, right? Because at the end of that, it is not about the number is always important with the respect to project, but what skill set you are developing. And one thing which I specifically met one of the person with in one-on-one sessions, he told me that from your project I was able to do the application of data. For example, doing projects on healthcare, doing projects on social media, doing project on financial data, doing projects on hospitality sector. So I guess that was a very good point, that we have been able successfully able to build project and uh, application of the data as well, and software as well. So make sure guys that you are part of this platform by Saturday if you want the old pricing, because most probably we'll be revising it this week, by the end of this week. Okay. Any other question, guys? If you are, feel free to ask.
Okay, guys, anything else related to this project, related to High Counselor, related to any of the previous projects, please let us know.
Okay, I don't see any questions over here. Uh, and yes, we have. I guess we are good. I don't see any questions. Hmm.
Okay, guys. Well, thank you so much for joining this event. We look forward to working with you, and let us know if we can help with anything. Our Discord channel is your best friend. Just post it over there, and we'll keep eye on all your questions, and we'll get back to you. Okay, Shubham says, is pay after job is only for people outside India? No, Shubham, you understood it absolutely opposite. The is pay after job ISA model is only for people within United States, right? So anyone outside of US, they're not applicable for this one.
Yeah. So we like for our income sharing model, we only work with people who are in US, who are eligible to work in US. But for projects, it is open to everyone from any part of the world. They can buy it and they can do as many projects on our platform.
Hmm.
Okay. Dennis says thank you. Thank you, Dennis, for being live, and thank you.
Okay, thanks everyone.
Okay,
Have a
well, thank
wonderful
you,
day
everyone.
ahead.
Bye. Take care.